morning po. Isang magandang maulan, makulimlim na good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ang lulutuin natin is chili. So, ipapakita po namin sa inyo kung paano po kami magluto ng aming chili. Tapos, papartneran po natin siya ng store-bought na cornbread. All you have to do is just add water. Simple and easy. So, ipapakita po natin kung anong weather natin sa outside. Quick weather check, Daddy.
Weather report today. It has been raining. It's not right now, but it looks pretty dark. Back to chili.
Back in the kitchen with our chili. So we have here our, of course, ground beef.
1 pound.
1 pound of ground beef and onion. Are we gonna use all of this onion? Maybe
Sure.
just a little bit. So, and we have our chili seasoning mix, or what do you call it? Mixed chili mix. And we have this diced green chilies. Yeah, it has a mild kick to it. And we're gonna use this diced tomatoes with green chilies. Of course, we have tomato sauce and a little bit of chili beans. We're not gonna put all of this, the pinto beans. Yeah, we're not gonna put all of this because I'm not too crazy about beans. So we'll put a little bit. And that's it. So we're just gonna start by browning the ground beef. So, put this in a pan. Right here, can you show Daddy here? Yeah. So we're just gonna brown this one and then we're gonna get rid of the fat, the grease. Okay? I'll see you guys in a minute. Hello, welcome back po. So habang nagbo-brown yung ating ground beef, so gagawin na natin itong cornbread natin kasi iluluto natin siya. Ibe-bake natin siya for 20 to 25 minutes. So, and it is 375 degrees. 375 degrees for 20 to 25 or maybe more than that. Maybe up to 35 minutes. We'll just see. Okay, so we just have to put this one here. And we are just following the instruction on the back of the plastic, the bag. So it says just add 1 and 1/2 cups of water. So we're just gonna have to put 1 and 1/2 cup of water. So that's 1 cup. And a half. And we're just gonna mix this. Parang sa amin sa Kapampangan tawag dito darak mais. Para siyang darak mais. Sa Kapampangan po, darak mais. So, and here it's cornbread. So, napaka-easy po. Ayan. Okay na, Daddy? What do you think? Yeah? Okay, then we're gonna spray this pan here. We're using 9x9 pan para hindi siya mag-stick. Then that's it. Right there. Oops. We're just gonna put it in our preheated 375 degrees oven. Yeah, we're gonna put it for 25 minutes. And here we're browning our ground beef. Yeah. Then I'm gonna slice this onion and then open up those cans And then I'll see you guys later. Po, so na-brown na natin yung ating ground beef. So tatanggalin lang po natin itong excess fat oil. Para hindi na natin makakain yan kasi pangit sa katawan natin. It's not good for our health. So, yan. And we save a little bit. Just for flavor. Yan. So, dito yan. And then, we're just gonna add our chili mix. Hindi na po natin i-season ng, nasa sa inyo na po kung gusto nyo i-season ng, kung anong seasoning na gusto nyong gamitin, salt and pepper or whatever. Pero maalat na po kasi ito, so marami na siyang flavor, marami na siyang asin, salt, so hindi na po natin siya i-season. So, pero nasa sa inyo na rin po iyon kung gusto nyong dagdagan ng seasoning. So we're just gonna mix this, and then we're gonna add some of the onion here. Yeah, we're gonna save some for our garnish. We're gonna save this one for our garnish. Okay, just cook this for a little bit. Then we're gonna add our tomato sauce. Our diced green chilies. Hindi naman po siya masyadong mas spicy, manghang, mild. And our diced tomatoes with green chilies, of course. There. Napaka-easy lang po niyan. Yan. Lalagay din natin yung ating chili beans. Kung nakikita nyo po medyo dry, hindi masyadong masabaw, so, lalagyan natin ng konting juice netong chili beans. Yan po. Yan, konti pa. Then, we're just gonna put some of the beans here. Like I said, I'm not fond of beans, so I just put a little bit. Okay. It's good enough for you, Daddy?
Looks good. You could always add a little water if you want to add.
We'll just add if we need to add water later. Ayan. So, hihintay lang po natin na kumulo ito. Tapos, tatakpan natin siya. Tapos, isisimmer natin siya ng about 10 to 15 minutes. And, chili is ready. Okay, hanggang sa mamaya po. So, ayan na po, kumukulo na siya. It's boiling already. So, tinakpan po natin yung ating pan. Tapos, nakasimmer na lang po siya or put it on low for 10 to 15 minutes. So, habang nagsisimmer yan, so, lulutuan natin yung mga bata ng chicken nuggets at saka fries. Kasi po hindi sila kumakain ng chili. So, lulutuan lang po natin sila ng ganyan. Iluluto ko siya sa air fryer. So, ayan. Air fryer. There. Plug this in. Let's see. And then 50 and for 15 minutes start. Hindi ko po alam kung gaano katagal. I-check lang natin. So, ipapakita ko po mamaya. Silipin po natin kung anong itsura ng ating chili. Ayan. Slow cookings. Yan, nagsisimmer lang siya. Nasa low pa rin. Dinagdagan po namin ng konting tubig ito. Siguro mga konti lang kasi medyo tuyo. So, ayan. Tama na yan. Takpan uli. Tapos, checkan po natin yung, yung cornbread natin. I-check natin yung cornbread. We'll see. Oh, it's hot. Alright. See? Tignan natin kung luto na siya. Hindi pa po luto kasi meron pa siyang sumama sa toothpick. So, balik natin uli. Konti pa. Kasi meron pa tayong 3 minutes na natitira. Yan, 3 minutes and 30 something seconds. So, check natin ang ating chicken nuggets and fries for the kids. It's been 5 minutes here. Yan, hindi pa sila luto. So, balik natin. And start. So, hanggang mamaya po. Ayan, tapos na po ang ating timer. Check natin yung cornbread natin. Check natin uli using this toothpick kung may sasama pa. Ayan, malinis na siya. Oh, so ready na yung ating cornbread. So, tatanggalin na natin siya dito. So, ayan. Ready na siya for later. Turn this off. Let's go check our chili. Ayan, nagsisimmer pa rin siya. Sarap na. Tikman natin. Diba, napaka-easy lang. Bagay na bagay sa panahon natin ngayon. Because it's a little chilly weather today. Kaya yan, mag-chili tayo. Tikman natin. So, hindi na po kailangan ng salt or pepper kasi po may may salt and pepper na yung ating seasoning. So, during summer po, kung meron kayong mga homegrown na vegetables, pwede nyong ilagay dito, isama kung ganun gusto nyong vegetable na pwede isama sa inyong chili. So, takpan natin ulit. Ayan, pwede rin po kayong magsama ng iba-ibang klaseng beans. Kaso ako hindi ako mahilig sa beans. So, yeah, black beans, pinto beans, you can add that one too. So, let's check this nuggets and fries for the kids. So, the fries are getting ready. Almost done. I think some of the fries are done. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cook for a little bit for the fries. Like this. This one is done. Oh, it's hot. Stop for a little bit. Free taste. Ito na siya. Mainit. Ayan. Pause natin ulit. Tanggalin natin yung fries. Kasi luto na po yung fries. Tapos balik natin uli kasi ayaw natin masunog yung fries. Konti pa yung lulutuin pa natin ng konti yung nuggets. babalik natin ito ng konti pa. Ayan. Oh, diba? Sarap. Yan. Tikim ulit. I think our chili is done. So we're gonna call Daddy, see what's he think. Daddy, you want to try? Taste? I did not get that one. Alright, Daddy will judge. See if
Looks
it's
hot.
done. It's hot. You have to blow it first. What do you think?
Very good.
What Tagalog?
Masarap.
Masarap. Seasoning?
No, it's
No,
fine.
it's good? Alright. So, ayan na po yung tsura
That's it.
niya. Luto na daw. So, titignan na lang natin yung chicken ng mga bata. Tama lang. Very good. Hindi na natin nilagyan ng asin o pepper. Yan. Tignan natin. Tama na yan. Okay na yan. Let's turn it off. Ayan. Luto na sila. Oops! Lumundag na naman. Buhay na naman ang ating chicken. Ayan. Ah! Talaga naman po. Ay, ay, ay. Bakit nga ba lumulundag itong mga chicken nuggets? Ayan. Let's eat. Kids, let's eat. Yan, no? Easy meal.
Try it. How about this?
Should use bigger spoon.
I know. I need the.
This one. Here.
It's alright. I already got.
Dun, dun,
I'll get the
dun.
ranch.
Onion. Okay. And
Oh, maybe a little salt.
I fix mine different though. I kind of like mine with lettuce. That sour cream. And shredded cheese.
There's supposed to be a plate over there.
There you go.
But you didn't have ranch.
Ayan, yan po ang akin chili. Lalagyan natin siya ng gawin natin ito para mag-melt yung cheese. Tapos, yung ating onions. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng shredded lettuce. A lot of shredded lettuce. Yan. Tapos, lagyan natin ng more chili. More chili. On top.
Just melt on there by itself.
We actually just came out of the oven.
Yan. Oh, chili overload. Ayan, balik ulit tayo dito.
Like rubbing it.
More of this. And sour cream. Yan. And of course, ang ating tortillas. Oops. Yan. Yan. O, diba? Ayan. Yan. Tapos mimix natin yan. So, katay ng fork. Ayan na po. Alright, kain tayo mga kapatid. Yan ang ating cornbread. Tapos ang ating chili. Yan. What do you call it? Taco, you put vegetable in it?
Taco salad. I don't
Taco salad? I think I need
know. Chili salad.
I need to put more lettuce. Mmm, sarap. Mmm. 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 Ang sarap, bagay na bagay sa panahon. Malamig. Sarap oh. Crispy ah. Mm. Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Not lost chicken. Oh, you have an lost chicken. So that's even. How many did I have? 3.
Huh?
Are you sure? Yeah. How? Because I knew there were 8. Were you watching me in secret? No. I looked at it before we ate.
I'm gonna go 4 seconds.
I think so.
Good job, Daddy.
For having mild peppers, it's kind of spicy.
Just right for me, the spiciness. It's mild. And the cornbread is really good with the chili too. Hmm? You done with your cornbread? Okay.
Wasted cornbread.
Daddy will eat it.
No.
Really?
Me.
You have a cookie?
Maybe I should try one of these again. Those things are good. How many cookies do we have?
Huh?
How many cookies do we have? We always take 2 hours.
Sarap. Daddy wanna see, make sure that my forehead is not covered.
It's fine.
Sarap.
I'm trying to make Dewey think it's like a thick cookie. There's 2.
So you're having 2 cookies?
Yes.
Wow.
Ah.
Is that the one that we made, the oatmeal cookies?
Yes.
Good job. Do you want to open your milk?
Okay.
How you doing there, dude?
cornbread is good. How do we? You happy? You like cornbread, right?
Yes. I don't think I can fit more.
Okay.
Mom will eat it.
I had big slices.
I'll try the piece of chocolate.
Oh, good. When did the last time we had chili?
It's been a while. I think it was so cold out when we had it.
I'll try this one. Ooh. Does it taste normal?
Yes.
Chose the purple one.
Stop.
I was able to trim all of the. Mine broke. Actually, maybe I can use a tiny bit more.
Harap. Yan po, dinis na yung pinggang ko. Yan po. Did you finish your cookies? Masarap din, naka-partner yung chili ang milk. So. Ayan po mga kaibigan, nabusog na naman po tayo. Yan, bigyan nyo po ng try yung chili. Masarap, lalo na kapag malamig ang weather, muulan. So, luto po kayo ng chili. So, ayan po mga kaibigan, nabusog na naman po ako. So, hanggang sa muli po, ito na po yung ating vlog. So, kung na-enjoy nyo po itong movie, ayan na naman ako yung movie natin. Siguro gagawa ako ng movie kasi parati ko nasasabing movie. So, ayan na po yung vlog natin. Kung na-enjoy nyo po itong vlog na ito, sana po mag-subscribe po kayo, like and share po. Thank you po. God bless. Till next time. Bye.